In front of me is HTC Desire 12S, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first, just reach the settings, then find and select display, and here pick night light. So you can smoothly activate it right now by clicking on status, and you can customize the intensity just by using the scale. But you can obviously deactivate it the same way, but you can also schedule your night light, and it can be either from sunset to sunrise, or it can be turned on at custom time. So just click on custom time and then personalize the hours between which this mode would be active. So we can set it, for example, between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. next day. And once it is active, night light would be turned on and off automatically once those hours are on the clock. So this is it, but also there's one very interesting thing, because you can very smoothly and quickly enter and use night mode through the upper bar. Smoothly slide it down and click on night light. And that's it. As you can see, it has been activated. Then click on it one more time to switch it off. If you cannot find night light in this control center, just tap on this edit icon, and here you'll be able to drag it smoothly, just like this. And that will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.